Hi students, myself Vimya KP, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Parasharaja College, Pulpalli. Today I discuss the topic Supply Chain Management. This is a part of 5th semester BBA, subject Emerging Trends in Management. Definition of Supply Chain. According to Ganeshan and Harrison, a supply chain is a network of facilities and distribution options that perform the function of procurement of material, transformation of these materials into intermediate and finished products, and the distribution of these finished products to customers. Meaning and definition of supply chain. A supply chain is a network of supplier, manufacturing, assembly, distribution, and logistic facilities that perform the functions of procurement of materials, transformation of these materials into intermediate and finished products, and the distribution of these products to customers. Another definition, according to Professor Douglas M. Lambert, supply chain management as the integration of business process from the end user through original supplier who provide products, services and information that adds value for the customers. Objectives of supply chain management. First one, service orientation. Second one, system orientation. Third one, competitiveness and efficiency. Fourth one, minimizing the time. Fifth one, minimizing work in progress. Sixth one, improving pipeline visibility. Seventh one, improving visibility demand. Eighth one, improving quality. Ninth one, reduces transportation cost. 10th one, reduces warehousing cost. Next, 6 major movements in the evolution in supply chain management. Creation era, integration era, globalization era, specialization era 1, specialization era 2, and supply chain management. Creation era. The term supply chain management was first coined by Keith Oliver in 1982. The concept of a supply chain in management was of great importance long before, in the early 20th century, especially with the creation of the assembly line. The characteristics of this era of supply chain management include the need for large-scale changes, re-engineering, downsizing driven by cost reduction programs, and widespread attention to Japanese management practices. Next, integration era. This era of supply chain management studies was highlighted with the development of electronic data interchange systems in the 1960s and developed through the 1990s by the introduction of enterprise resource planning, that is ERP systems. This era has continued to develop into the 21st century with the expansion of internet-based collaborative systems. This era of supply chain evolution is characterized by both increasing value added and cost reductions through integration. Next one, that is globalization era. The third movement of supply chain management development, the globalization era, can be characterized by the attention given to global systems of supplier relationships and the expansion of supply chains beyond national boundaries and into other continents. Specialization era 1. This specialization model creates manufacturing and distribution networks composed of several individual supply chains specific to producer to end consumer. Supply chain management works as a service. Specialization era 2, there are many functions of this era includes transportation management, storage and inventory management, planning, development management and performance management. This is the stages of development of supply chain management starting from 1960s, 1980s, 1990s and 2000. In 1960s, that is called fragmentation. It includes demand forecasting, purchasing, requirements planning, production planning, manufacturing inventory, warehousing, materials handling, packaging, inventory, distribution planning, order processing, transportation and customer service. And through materials management system, it includes warehousing, materials handling, packaging and physical distribution. And as a part of functional integration, logistics, supply chain management includes during 2000, information technology, development in IT, marketing and strategy planning. These are the various changes in between 1960s to at present. Thanks to all.